Welcome friends, let's see how we can increase and decrease the size of the sprite. For this, first let me choose a backdrop just to look it good. So this is my backdrop and I'm going to change the size of this sprite by using the repeat code. So here you can go for the looks and just drag and drop change size by 10. But when I clicking on it, it is just increasing the size. I want to change size back to the original size. So for this, go to the event. Let's take an event when we click on a flag. And after this, we will move to the controls. And from the controls, I will use the repeat block. And now it will repeat for 10 times and each times it will change the size by 10. Now I also reduce the size. So once again I will add one more repeat and drag and drop change the size by -10. So in this way you can increase and decrease the size of your sprite to the original position, original size. Try it out my friend.